Hello viewers, Microsoft had confirmed an issue with the Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11 version 25H2 and 24H2. Update KB5066835. This update caused problem with several IIS Internet Information Services website after the October 2025 Patch Tuesday update and its preview version KB5065789. Now there is another update on this. Microsoft has officially confirmed a new non-issue with the same update KB5066835 for Windows 11 version 24H2 and 25H2. This marks the fourth confirmed issue for version 25H2 since its release. As listed on the Microsoft Health dashboard, two of these problems were inherited from 24H2 and two are new for 25H2. According to the Microsoft, after installing the update, some USB devices like keyboard and mouse may stop working on the Windows recovery environment WinRE. In case you are unfamiliar with the Windows recovery environment, is a built-in setup tool in Windows that helps you troubleshoot and fix startup or system problems. If your PC failed to boot, WinRE can automatically start to repair the issue. It also where you can access tool for manual system recovery. Microsoft says this issue make it impossible to navigate any recovery option within WinRE. However, USB keyboard and mouse still work normally inside the main Windows operating system. The company is currently working on a fix for the issue and plan to release a solution soon. More details will be shared once available. I will keep you updated as soon as Microsoft release any new information. The affected platform include Windows 11 version 24H2 and 25H2 as well as Windows Server 2025. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.